What do you do when you can't call the local plumber? Well, you just have to do it yourself, no matter where you are. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, January the 8th. We are parked in the parking lot behind McDonald's in Parker, Arizona. We just had a nice McDonald's breakfast. And now we have to do something very important. We have to take and install a brand new, here it is, wait for it, a brand new commode. Forgive the pun, but the old one is pooped out. We're going to change it right here in the parking lot. First thing we have to do is undo the bolts. And there's one down in here somewhere. Have to undo that one. And there's another one way down in there somewhere. We undo those two, undo the water line, and the toilet should come off. Let's give it a try. 1/2-inch wrench. Hold the pedal down. And undo the bolt. Easy, right? Okay. Get my hand in there. Oh yeah. Okay, and that's the first one off. Okay, I got the flashlight underneath the toilet. And looking through that hole down there, there's your other nut that has to come off. So, let's get at her. Okay, we're on the nut. I scratched my arm, that's why we got blood on that toilet. So we're giving this toilet a good send-off, a bloody send-off. I think that's all we can do there. And there we have it. The old toilet is out. And that's what she looks like. There's the water line I had to undo. 2 bolts, flange, dirty old carpet. I think I'll leave that on. When I get home, I'll take it off, change it out. Okay, let's put the new one on. Well, now we got our water line hooked up to the existing. They say recommend we do a loop and hook her up. Let's see what happens. Okay, we put the new flange on. I think we're ready to mount the toilet. The lid comes off. It's pretty handy. Let's see if we can get her on there. Well, we got her bolted on. She's a little harder to get at than I thought. And I'm not even going to show you the other side because that was a real contortionist act to get it on. Well, she's on. Let's turn the pump on. Check her out. Wow, how about that? Works like it should. And no water leaks. All right, let's put the top on her. Call her good. And there we go. Top's on her. Works pretty good. How to install a toilet in under 2 hours in a McDonald's parking lot. Thanks for watching. Got this nice fancy guard, I guess, or thing that covers up the thunder, but I think I'll wait for a couple days, see if it leaks, then I'll put it on. If it doesn't leak, we'll put it on.